Hi everyone, it's Kristen. Welcome back for another video. I'm so excited to share with you today this polymer clay kit. This is the ultimate polymer clay starter kit. I am partnering with Maverly Designs along with all the other creators that contributed to this starter kit. I'm gonna share those with you in just a minute. We are partnering together to give away one of these huge ultimate clay starter kits, as well as some other really fun prizes. So make sure that you're subscribed to the channel. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you are most excited about for this giveaway. Like what in this kit or the ebooks and that sort of thing are you most excited about? Leave me a comment down below. Everything you need to know to enter the giveaway will be in the description box down below. So you just click that link down there and enter to win. So if you are watching this in December of 2022, the giveaway is probably still running. Again, check the link down below. I'll have notes. If you're watching this at a later date, you'll see that the giveaway is closed, but it's gonna run for 2 weeks, so make sure that you enter. All right, let's get into the unboxing of the Ultimate Polymer Clay Starter Kit. I'm so excited about this. I haven't seen a kit like this on the market. It's very unique. I love the way Maverly Designs and all the other creators pulled together and created this awesome kit. It just really shows how kind and welcoming the online polymer clay earring community is. And I just love the way they have included so many different contributors in this kit. So let's dive in and see what all is included in this awesome kit. The first thing that I saw when I opened up this package is this little card, and it has a little like introduction. There's a QR code so you can get some different resources and tutorials and things to get you started. They also have special resources for the buyers of this kit, and there's a little passcode for you there. The first thing here is a tile. So they really thought of everything in this kit. So they are including a tile for you, so you can use this to bake your clay earrings on. You can use this to create your earrings on and that sort of thing. I thought this was super smart that they included this in the kit. So it'll come with the tile, and then this super cute little box here. On the top, it has these little cards made by the different contributors to the kit. So here's one from CutterlyDesigns. It looks like there's a coupon code for you. Sculpey was involved in this as well. There's a coupon code. I'm gonna try to cover it. Coupon code down at the bottom for 20% off your purchase, which is awesome. The Blue Bottle Tree, that's an awesome website that has just so much polymer clay information, tutorials, just help. It's awesome. So it looks like you get a little code with that too, and she has an insiders club that you can join. The next thing that I see here is this cute little flower cutter, as well as it looks like a little I love you hand sign. So this is Creme Brew Clay. That's so cute. Look at this cute packaging. I love it. Let's see if there's anything else in here. I see a little package in here. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is like, it might be like cornstarch, I think. So there's like a little package of cornstarch. That's what it looks like to me. So you can use cornstarch, if you didn't know, if you have really intricate cutters, like this little hand that it has here. You can use that to keep your clay from sticking to it. So that was really smart. So yeah, just a little introduction to Creme Brew Clay. That's super cute. All right, love that. So the next thing is the assembly. It says putting the pieces together, sandpaper, adhesive, jewelry pliers, jump rings, jewelry components, and stud finding. So all of that is in this kit here. I see the pliers here. Let me see if I can get this open. So here are the little pliers that it comes with. Perfect and super nice and small for all those tiny findings and things that go along with polymer clay making. So let's see what's in this package. I see a little bit of sandpaper, little piece of sandpaper. Oh my goodness, so much good stuff. Wow, there's like these little jewel findings that you could add to earrings. There are gold and silver, what do they call these, like fish hook, I think that's what they're called. There's gold and silver jump rings and backs and posts. I love that they included gold and silver in it. These are my favorite, the little hoops. You've probably seen them a ton in my videos. Ball posts. This is so great. Gold and silver ball posts, and then super glue. Definitely need that. And then here is a more fine grit sandpaper. So there's a rougher sandpaper and then one that's more fine. That is great. So the next thing that I see here is these little pins. They really thought of everything. So these can be used for creating little details and things on intricate, you know, slabs and things, floral, stuff like that. Let's see here. Here's a bunch. Okay, here's some Maverly Designs cutters. There's like a rainbow, some arches. Wow, there's even like the tops of the earrings too. Those are really, really beautiful. I love the color. I love how they're all purple. Just got a little bit of everything in there. And then this is a fun cutter. This is for mixing colors. So if you've bought any color recipes, I have videos that give them away for free, but I also have ones that you can purchase. Or if you've seen them online or anything, then you would know that you need parts. And so this is a parts cutter. So if, you know, you need 4 parts of something, 3 parts, that kind of thing. So super handy to have. I'm guessing that's also by Maverly Designs. This looks purple like her stuff typically is. Okay, this is Jackson and June. Polymer clay cutters, water slide decals, silk screens, color mixing, education. So it looks like hers has a cutter in it and then a couple other things. Let's see. So here's a little cutter. That's so pretty. It's like glittery teal. And here is this is a water slide decal. So you could put this onto clay, transfer it onto clay, and then, wow, this is fancy. It says, hold this card near your phone for access to our color mixing guide, a discount code for your first order, and access to our Facebook community. Tutorials, behind the scenes, all that. Wow, that's super cool. So neat little technology thing there that I'd never seen before. Let's see what's next. Momo Studio. You got a coupon code here as well as some really cute cutters. Oh, and some color recipes, it looks like. So there's a whole little, there's some like blue and a nice brown color, and very nice. So you get color recipes in this one. That's awesome. So the next thing is by Wandering Rindle. It looks like you get a coupon code as well as this fun little cutter. It's like a Volkswagen van with like, looks like hippie flowers and like peace signs. That one's super cool. Okay, and we have a stamp here. So you could stamp onto clay and make a pattern. Here's another one. This one is, you have a coupon code here. This is by Squiggle Cutters. So this is a really beautiful little stamp, again, that makes just like an impression on the clay. Little flowers, that's cool. So here's something by Maverly Designs, and it looks like a mold. I've never tried these from her. I've tried some that I found on Amazon. Wow, this is so neat. It has a bunch of tiny little intricate flowers. So you would press your clay into them and then remove them, and then you could put them on your slabs or earrings and that sort of thing. This will make flower making so much easier. I love that. By Squiggle Cutters, again, we have another little stamp for the clay. All right, the metal circle detail cutters. It says these are great for petals and leaves. I love these. There's lots of different shapes and sizes in there. You can use them for all sorts of things, including cutting holes for your jump rings if you're really careful. So super helpful to have a bunch of small circles. All right, we have more cutters. Creative Well Co. Wow, that's really, really beautiful. It looks like, yep, they give you a discount code as well. This is a really beautiful cutter set with the top and the main earring. That's super fun. So this one's by LuluCutters. This is a really beautiful little like stud cutter. What's next here? This one is by Haymaker Hay. And this is a little flower cutter. There's a discount code for you, a little QR code in the back. tools. All right, we're getting into some of the bigger tools and things. This is awesome. So in here, clay tools, there's the hand drill bit and bit. So that would be for cutting in or for making your holes for your jump rings, tissue blades, and a small acrylic roller. So a lot of people use pasta machines, but maybe you're just getting into it and you don't want to spend the money on a pasta machine, or maybe you don't have space for it. These tools are great for that. So here's a little acrylic roller, and then there's a little tissue blade in here, which, if you're not familiar, helps you scrape your clay off whatever surface that you're working on. Little tissue blade, and then a larger tissue blade here. And then this is the hand drill with the little bit. So you put it on there and you drill through your clay like that to get your jump ring holes and that sort of thing. Next, oh, this is great. So, okay, so there is a smaller acrylic roller, and then they're also including a larger acrylic roller too, which is awesome. And then these are depth guides by Maverly Designs. And if you're unfamiliar with this, you put these down. So there's different sizes: 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, and 2mm. You put these on your work surface, and then you put your clay in between them, and then when you roll your acrylic roller over them, it makes it all a uniform depth. So, you can do this without a pasta machine like I mentioned. These are great for that. And these are really just well made. They feel like they're gonna last forever. And last but certainly not least is the clay. We all know that in the last couple years, there's been quite a lot of clay shortages, and they've been difficult to get your hands on different types of clay and that sort of thing. So it looks like they're giving a Sculpey Souffle. This is the poppy seed color. 2 Sculpey Souffle. I believe this one is probably Igloo. Just want to make sure. Yep, Igloo. We've got a Souffle Latte, which is in tons of color recipes. That's super important. We've got the Canary by Souffle. All these are Souffle. Cherry Pie, and then this one is probably Cornflower. Yep, so all Souffle colors. This is awesome. You get, looks like 7 little packs of Sculpey Souffle clay, which, if you're unfamiliar, is the clay that most clay artists love the most. It's super soft, it bakes really nicely, and it's strong once it bakes. So this kit is amazing. Like I said, they've truly thought of everything, and we are giving a kit away along with some ebooks and that sort of thing. So please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Leave us a comment down below, and then look in the description box for the details on where to buy this kit. If you want to purchase this kit, I'm going to have that in the description box as well as the link to enter the giveaway. So please do that. Share it with all your friends. Let everybody in the clay community know about this giveaway. It is a wonderful kit here that includes just so many things. It would make a great Christmas gift. It's awesome. I love it. So thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you'll go check out Maverly Designs and all these other awesome artists and makers. Again, thanks for watching this video today, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.